Hey, I'm going to show you quickly how I did the specials banner by using Bitmoji art. So right here on Google, you're going to go to slides.new, hit enter. That will bring you to a new slide. When you get here, you can just click on these extra boxes and delete them. You don't need them. Okay, so you don't need this themes box either. So from here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to look up a background. You're going to choose an image, and I chose to just do a Google image search, and I did a wall background. So choose the one you like. I'm just going to quickly do this so you can see, and then you hit done. Okay. So from here, this is important. You're going to have to set your size. So over here under the file button, you're going to scroll down to the one that says page setup right here. And we're going to do a custom size because the banner for Google Sites is custom. And then right here where it says custom, we're going to set that to 1.51 like this. And over here, we're going to go to 0.54. So custom 1.51 and 0.54, and we're going to leave that at inches and hit apply. So that'll just stretch everything out. The next thing I did was I actually downloaded the Bitmoji Google extension. So right here, it's actually on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And I'm going to just put in a couch. You can drag it over like this, or you can double click, you can right click, but you notice that the Bitmoji app already has your people as pings. So you can go ahead and shrink that, whatever. And now to add more stuff to your page, you're going to click this insert image button right here. You're going to go ahead and search the web. And I'm going to search for a table.png. And then you'll notice that most of the time these are already set for you as a erased background. Actually, I don't like that one. I'm going to try this one. I think that's a little cuter. So, oops, but that one isn't a PNG or a erasable background. Let's see if this one is.